A variety of apps have note-taking features that allow you to annotate PDFs. And now, thanks to FetchNote, extracting and organizing those notes has never been easier. FetchNote will summarize your notes into a clean file that is condensed and easy to read. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to annotate a PDF and generate a summary of those notes. To get started, we recommend downloading an example PDF file and opening it up with Adobe Acrobat. You can find a link in the description to install the free version of Acrobat if you don't already have it. You can find many example PDFs on our website by going to the support page. Then click on the Example PDF Files link and download a PDF from the first row in the table. Open up the file and select the Comment tool. Next, you'll want to delete all of the comments already on the file by selecting all of the comments and then deleting them. That gives us a fresh document to work with. Now let's make some new annotations on the document. First, let's select the highlighter and highlight something that might be important to remember. Then you can add a sticky note to the document and type something into it. Let's write random sticky note for this tutorial. Now let's find an image that we want to make sure ends up in our summary. Scroll down to this image, and using the rectangle tool, you can enclose the image. Then use the pen tool to write on the document where you want. For example, write over text or in the margins. If you don't want the text near your pen markings to be included in your summary, then change the pen color to blue. Once that's done, save the document and exit the program. Next, pull up FetchNote on your browser and upload the document you just annotated. We'll leave the default settings for the summary for now, as we'll go over that in another video. Click Proceed to Download page, and you'll see your document queued for processing. Once finished, click the row that has your example file listed. Then click the Download button to receive your newly generated summary file. Your summary should have all your notes in one document, corresponding to your annotated PDF. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us through our website using the support link found in the description. Don't forget to check out our other videos to learn more about how you can get the most out of FetchNote for generating the best summary of your notes.